Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about optical fiber and its types. Here we can see the structure of optical fiber. It is an coaxial type of cable in which the innermost part is core, then cladding, coating, strengthening fiber, cable jacket. Core. This is the physical medium that transports optical data signal from an attached light source to a receiving device. The core is a single continuous strand of glass or plastic that measure in microns by the size of its outer diameter. The larger the core, the more light the cable can carry. All fiber optic cable is sized according to its core, outer diameter. The three multi-mode size most commonly available are 50, 62.5 and 100 micron. Single mode core are generally less than 9 micron. Now cladding. This is the thin layer that surround the fiber core and serve as a boundary that contain the light wave and cause the refraction, enabling data to travel throughout the length of the fiber segment. Coating. This is a layer of plastic that surround the core and cladding to reinforce and protect the fiber core. Coating are measured in micron and can range from 250 to 900 microns. Strengthening fiber. These components help protect the core against crushing force and excessive tension during installation. Cable jacket. This is the outer layer of any cable. Most fiber optic cable have an orange jacket, although sometimes can have black or yellow jacket. Now let's discuss about type of optical fiber. Property of data transmission via a fiber optic depend on the core. Hence, based on the differences in the structure of the core, there are three main type of optical fiber. Single mode optical fiber, multi-mode optical fiber with step index, multi-mode optical fiber with graded index. This is the structure of single mode optical fiber. As the name suggests, this type of optical fiber transmit only one mode of light. To put it another way, it can carry only one wavelength of light across its length. This wavelength is usually 1310 nanometer or 1550 nanometer. Single mode type of optical fiber is much better than multi-mode optical fiber as they have more bandwidth and experience fewer losses, so the speed is unmatched. Single mode fiber come into existence after multi-mode fiber. They are more recent than the multi-mode cables. These cables can carry only one mode physically by having a tiny core. The diameter of the core is essentially of the same order as the wavelength of the light passing through it. Only laser are used as a light source. To put out the light used in single mode fiber are not in the visible spectrum. Since the light travel in straight direction, there are fewer losses and it can be used in application requiring longer distance connections. A distinct disadvantage of single mode fiber is that they are hard to couple. Now, this is the structure of multi-mode optical fiber. These type of optical fiber allow multi-mode of light to travel along their axis and have a thicker core diameter. The wavelength of light wave in multi-mode fiber are in the visible spectrum ranging from 850 to 1300 nanometer. The reflection of the wave inside the multimode fiber occur at different angle for every mode. Consequently, based on these angle, the number of reflection can vary. Since the basis of optical fiber communication is a total internal reflection, all modes with incident angle that do not cause total internal reflection get absorbed by the cladding. As a result, losses are created. In higher order mode, waves are highly transverse to the axis of the waveguide can reflect many times. Due to increased reflection at unusual angle, higher order mode can get completely lost inside the cable. Low order mode are moderately transverse or even completely straight and hence far better comparatively. Now, multi-mode optical fiber can be further divided as step index multi-mode optical fiber and graded index multi-mode optical fiber. We can see the structure. Now, step index multi-mode fiber. In this, the refractive index of the core of the multi-mode is uniform throughout the cable. In case of graded index multi-mode fiber, the refractive index of the core changes radially from the center of the core to its surface. Now, based on the cross section of the fiber, we can compare it like this: type of optical fiber on the basis of indices. In step index fiber, the index of refraction changes radially between the core and the cladding. We can see this in the first diagram. Graded index, the fiber is compressive multi-mode fiber, but the index of refraction gradually decrease away from the center of the core. In case of graded index fiber has less dispersion than the multi-mode step index fiber. In this way, we have completed the topic.